Now let me carefully explain how to trim a video using the InShot app on your phone, step by step for your convenience. First, we enter the InShot app where you can carefully select your video and choose the desired video format for editing. You can either select your own video or choose from the available materials provided within the app, as you can see here. You can choose from the available options here. For example, let's select this one now. How to crop it? It's all easy and simple, and you can clearly see the steps right here. Just watch. First, click on your video or photo, and then here we will find the options to edit it further, as you can see clearly. Now, as we search for this option, we will select where to crop the video precisely, and then click the sleep button. That's it! You've successfully cropped your video. You can do anything you want with this piece, truly. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching and being here today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Good luck to all, and now it's time to say goodbye for now.